Welcome to Midjourney sref Imagination Hub. If you're a Midjourney enthusiast and love exploring the creative power of sref codes, this is the place for you. Here, I share the most amazing images I've created using unique codes, and I give you access to these srefs for your own visual adventures. From epic fantasy worlds to futuristic concept art, each video is packed with immersive styles and techniques to take your creativity to the next level. Subscribe and join our community of visual creators and start forging your own universe with Midjourney. Using sref styles in Midjourney is very simple. Below, we invite you to copy this prompt and customize it with the style you prefer using the 50 sref you'll see in this video. You just need to replace the number that appears after the sref command with any of the ones shown in the 50 images you'll see next. Feel free to experiment with these styles and discover new ways to create your own unique images.